Krea AI video. The new king of AI videos. Sora is great, but you can't use it yet. Krea AI is here. It's fast and it looks incredible. So the real question is Krea AI the new king of AI videos in 2026? In today's video, I'm going to test it properly, not just surface level generation, but real-time creation. The new 2026 upscaling features viral visual illusion content and the best export settings. For YouTube Shorts, and since our last Krea video crossed 3.4K views and search volume is growing. This is part of our trend-focused Krea cluster strategy. We are not just testing hype, we're building around it. Let's see if Krea actually deserves the crown. First, let's talk about what Krea actually is. Krea AI is an AI-powered creative platform focused on real-time image and video generation. Unlike traditional AI tools that require long rendering queues, Krea emphasizes speed and instant iteration. The platform is developed by Krea AI and accessible through Krea AI via browser. What makes it interesting in 2026 is that real-time visual generation and that it has AI video transformation, upscaling technology, style control, and you can create illusion workflows. And most importantly, you can use it right now. Let's talk about what makes Krea different. Most AI video platforms generate clips after you submit a prompt and wait. That's rendered generation. You type, you wait, and then you download. Now, Krea offers something different, which is real-time visual feedback. When you go over to images and if you go over to the chat box and simply type in a prompt, we can ask it to create a cinematic cyberpunk city street in the rain with neon reflections. Click on generate, and this just took 2 to 5 seconds to generate the pictures for us. And that is it. You can go ahead and scroll through them, pick the one that you like the best. You can simply download it with the button, click on download, and this is going directly into your files. Now you can also adjust the prompt live. You can tweak style intensity, shift the themes, and see changes immediately. This drastically improves workflow because you don't waste credit on bad outputs, you iterate it faster, you experiment creatively, and it feels more like sculpting visuals rather than submitting requests. Now, rendered mode still exists for higher quality final exports. Real-time mode is for ideation. Render mode is just for polishing. And the best strategy is to use real-time to explore. Use render to just finalize it. Now let's talk about the upscaling features. Now if you go over to the video generation, we can also test this out. Simply just type in a prompt. We're keeping the prompt simple, and you can go ahead and also go with the versions that you want the best. You can look at the starting frame, you can also look at the video quality and click on generate. Now it is just going to generate the entire video for us in 2 minutes rather than it taking 10 to 30 minutes for a simple 30-second video. And the video is in front of our eyes. It is still rendering, meaning that we can finalize it once it's ready. Now let's talk about the upscaling features, which is the major upgrade. Now this is where Krea becomes serious. In 2026, Krea introduced AI upscaling for video frames. And what does this mean? It means that low-resolution AI clips can now be enhanced into sharper details, cleaner textures, better lighting consistency, improved motion clarity, and here's how you can do it. Now you can see on our screen that this is the generative video Krea provided us with. Now how you can actually use the upscaling features that I just mentioned earlier with sharper details and cleaner textures is after generating your video, go to the upscale option. You can just go to the upscaling options and simply type in your refinements that you want. You can enhance the video quality. You can also ask for crisper. You can also ask for crisper edges, more realistic faces, or just better visual retention. And retention is going to equal to your watch time. A strategic tip that I would give you is don't over upscale. If the base clip is weak, then extreme sharpening can create artificial artifacts. Now this is really important for YouTube Shorts and TikTok because compression destroys low quality AI clips. Now let's talk about the real gold mine, which is the viral illusion AI videos that are trending heavily in 2026. Now these include infinite zoom loops, respective bending rooms, melting environments, object morphing sequences, or just optical illusion animations. Here's how you can create one in Krea. You can start with a very clear prompt. We are going to use a prompt that says endless hallway turning into a surreal spiral cinematic lighting with a smooth motion. You can simply type in a clear prompt that ensures that it is specific, adding the kind of motion that you want. Either it's a smooth motion, maybe a stop motion, and the kind of objects you want in your screen. You can also use real-time mode to refine composition and adjust the style strength to increase surreal intensity, and then render the final version at higher quality. As you can see, here was the earlier prompt that we just made, and the entire street looks really graphic and the neon signs on the buildings look amazing. There is also a reflection of the wet ground, and this just completes the entire video. It does not look artificial or just incomplete. It looks completely graphic and professional. The key to viral illusion videos is smooth transitions. You can use prompts like seamless transformation, continuous loop, smooth morph, or cinematic camera motion. Looping also increases replay rate, so replay rate boosts algorithm performance. Now let's optimize for YouTube Shorts specifically. You can go ahead and edit the aspect ratio. You can choose the aspect ratio that is usually used for YouTube Shorts, which is 9:16. Now if Krea generates horizontal by default, you can crop intelligently before exporting it, but if you want it, then you can go ahead and ask for a portrait version. Now let's talk about strategy. Since Krea AI is trending and search volume is increasing, when you create multiple high-quality videos around one tool, YouTube starts associating your channel with that niche. Now, this tells us that the audience is interested and algorithm familiarity exists. Also, cluster authority is building, which means that higher suggested traffic, we want better search ranking and stronger authority. This isn't just about one video, this is about building a content cluster around Krea. And right now, timing is perfect. Now, let's answer the question, is Krea the new king? Is it better than unreleased tools like Sora? Well, Sora might be powerful, but availability matters. Krea is accessible, fast, and visually impressive, improving rapidly. And for creators, usability beats hype. Right now, for real-time creative AI video experimentation, Krea is leading. Whether it keeps the crown depends on how fast competitors move. But in 2026, it's a serious contender. Now, AI video is evolving fast. The winners won't just be the tools, the winners will be the creators who understand these trends and optimize for platforms and master the prompting and iterate quickly. Krea gives you speed and upscaling gives you quality. Illusion content gives you virtuality and short optimization gives you reach. Combine all four and you're not just generating AI video, you are building strategic content. Now, if this deep dive into Krea AI helped you understand how to create viral AI videos and optimize them for YouTube Shorts, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more advanced AI tutorials. Press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the other videos related to Krea or more AI tools. Drop a comment below if you want another comparison with different AI tools or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.